Hey everybody, I just wanted to quickly um, go over a few things with regarding our Google Meet and kind of just walk you through with video on how to join. I know today I actually sent a Class Dojo message with the link in it, don't, which I don't think I've ever done before, just because it's always in the Google Classroom. I did it today because to distinguish between the PE one and then our class one, because it was two different links. Um, but of course, I did have to reset our classroom one today. So there will be times that I have to do that based on if there's some technical issue or something going on. Sometimes I have to reset it. So that's why I wanted to clarify where you could always go to get the most updated link that if you click on it, it's going to take you to our class link unless I send you something different as far as if we're joining someone else's or a group one, kind of like we did with PE today. But as far as our everyday Google Meet, you can go to the stream, our the main stream, when you click into our classroom. So I'm signed on as a student. And you would click on the stream, and then just right up here is the link. So if you click on that, it will take you your let me try and click and then see how it just underlines and turns into the little hand. So it'll take you straight to our current link. If for some reason you're in class work section, you can also click on Meet right up there, and it's always going to take you to our most updated reset link. So even if I have to reset it for some reason, it'll take you right there. The other thing I wanted to mention, and I can't click in yet because I, as the host, am not in yet, but so I'm going to click on my view. So if you were to click I just want the kids to practice once they click in, especially like today when we had so many students in the meet. It's important that right as soon as you come in that they go ahead and mute themselves. They just click right here on this microphone, and it's going to turn it red with a little slash through it. So that way that they can talk, or if you have background noise at your house, then that no one's going to be able to hear that. So the reason that that's important, whether it's in our class Zoom, in our class Google Meet, or in like a bigger one, is that for some devices, so maybe on some phones or on some iPads, I think, whoever is talking, their picture is up, and they can only see that person, or and maybe just a few others. But like, I know if you have the grid view, you can see everybody, and that's what I have it set up as for myself. But I know with some devices, you have to have it where you're not able to see everyone. You're only seeing the person that's talking. So that's why it's really important that when you go in, that they go ahead and mute themselves, so that right away, that we're not hearing background noise or whatever. So one other thing I wanted to mention too, when you join, okay, when you join, right up here. So if the student has a question, and they want to, ask me something, if they click on this little hand raise, then I know, like it just told me that I raised my hand. Or sometimes if I say, give me a thumbs up, you can just do the little thumbs up right there, and then I can see it on the side. That way, they can show me too, but if for some reason, like if your internet is kind of cutting out or something and I can't see you, or you have to join from just a phone, then that gives me a way to know that you either gave me a thumbs up for something, or if you have a question, you can raise a hand using those little emojis at the top. And then you should hopefully have the little grid view at the top, which then, right now I'm the only one on, but you should be able to click on that and then see everybody that's on there, kind of like we did with Zoom. That was a little easier to do, but you can see it that way. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of clarify that, especially today. I want to send a dojo message as well, but just to always go right here to this Meet link, or the Meet link under classwork. It's the same, and that will always take you to our most recent. All right, see y'all in a little bit. Bye.